Hello everyone and welcome back to 50 Plus Luxury Style. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. First off, I am so sorry I have not been able to upload in the past, I think 2 weeks. It has been just crazy busy at work. That has not stopped me from shopping. However, I've been holding on to everything because I wanted to share my items with you. So, if you're new to my channel, my name is Isabel. Welcome. I hope you enjoy the video, and if you do, I hope you'll go ahead and subscribe and hit that like button. Let's get right into this. So, today I'm going to share with you one small item that I picked up at Saks Fifth Avenue back on December 1st. And in total transparency, I actually picked up 2 items on that day. The small item that I'm going to share with you and a larger item, which I will go ahead and unbox in another video because I don't think I'm going to have time to do it today. So let's go ahead and get into this and then I'll give you the backstory. Now, this one is a reveal. I already opened this one. It did come with the camellia. I'm looking around trying to see if I can find it. I think I've already put it away. Oh, here it is. Already, it came with the beautiful camellia. It came with the ribbon. What I got is in this beautiful little box. Here is my receipt, and let's just get into it. So inside we have the black velvet pouch with Chanel on the very front. To reveal, this is so cute. The beautiful Cruise 2019 card holder in the tropical colors, and this is absolutely stunning. So let's go ahead and check this beauty out, and then I'll give you the backstory on it. So here you go. It is the Chanel card holder. In the front you have this beautiful salmon pink, and it is the trim on it has the beautiful, what we like to call in YouTube world, Tiffany blue, because Chanel just calls it light blue. It then has the green up here, and then it's got gold tone hardware at the tips of the C's. The back is pretty much all in the salmon pink, except for the little trim and green up at the top. And it's the regular card holder. It has a slip pocket right here. It has the opening right there, and then 2 slip pockets in the back. And this, I think it is substantial. It feels poofy, and this is grained calf skin along with smooth calf skin. And let me go ahead and show you the tag. Well, here's the authenticity card, and this is the tag, as you can see, 19C. And I'll go ahead and put the information down below. And the inside is all in pink, and this is made in Italy. I don't know if you can see that right there, made in Italy. This is one of the items that I picked up on December 1st at Saks. This is so cute. Now, let me go ahead and give you the backstory as to why I ended up picking this up. So, December 1st, I am at the mall, went to Nordstrom's, had a ball, and then hopped over to Saks Fifth Avenue where they were having 10 points. So anyhow, I decided to go into Chanel because I had seen Jerousha Couture's video, and everybody knows Jerousha, but I had seen Jerousha Couture's video of her visit to the Chanel store where she had shown the beautiful Tiffany blue collection. So the mini, the card case, the card holder, the zippy wallet, everything. And I just was like, oh, I love it. I love it. So I have been using my Chanel card holder, this one right here, a lot lately. And I thought, oh my goodness, I would love to get one of these in the beautiful Tiffany blue color. So I went right into Chanel at Saks. The SA that I know was not there. Somebody else took care of me. She was very, very nice. And she opened every single drawer and pulled out every single box, and they did not have any, not one. She had nothing in that Tiffany blue other than possibly a large wallet, which I don't want. My largest wallet at this point are my 2 Victorines, and I am not interested in getting any large wallets. That mini was already reserved for someone, but the SA told me that she could get me one if I really wanted it, but I had to decide right then and there. And I had the internal struggle and said no, because quite frankly, as gorgeous as it is, I don't have enough occasions to wear a mini. And if I'm going to have it in that specific color, it's going to be very difficult for me to really get a lot of use out of it. So I had to pass, but boy, oh boy, it is stunning. So anyway, she took everything out, and this was the only thing that she had with the beautiful Tiffany blue. And when I saw it, I thought, this is just too beautiful to pass up. And although I am not a card holder type person, I really don't generally use this, so I'm going to force myself to use it. But anyway, I could not deny this. This is too adorable. So here it is. Again, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. But anyhow, blame this right on Jerousha Couture. It is not on the Chanel website. They have this one on the website, but it is in red, blue, and white. And I think they also have it in a beige and brown combination. But this actual color combination, I have not seen on the website. Now, I wanted to share this with you because it is super, super beautiful. Okay, and that is it for the quick unboxing for today. I hope that you have a great rest of the weekend, and I have 2 more things to share with you. If I can, I will go ahead and record them today. Thanks for watching, and see you soon. Bye.